Modern DAC technology meets quality with NI's latest generation USB DAC hardware, Mio DAC. Acquire and generate voltage and digital signals with your computer from anywhere. Key specs include 20-bit analog inputs at up to 1 megasample per second simultaneous for better measurements, 16 digital lines with configurable thresholds, 4 analog output channels, and lastly 4 counter timers. As the leader in data acquisition for decades, NI didn't stop at better specs. We upgraded the mechanical design, added USB-C, and designed an entire experience around making it easier for engineers to take measurements. So now let's take a look at some of these engineer-centric features that will reduce stress when taking measurements. Each model ships with what you need to start measuring voltage and digital signals with just your laptop. And since it uses the NI DAC MX driver, you can get started with software that works for you. We have FlexAuger Lite, the free companion no-code software, NI's flagship and industry standard software LabVIEW, and there's also support for Python and C. Designed with engineers in mind, our latest USB DAC hardware will help you keep pace with changing business and engineering needs.